Organizations work with different models to perform their strategic planning. Some may be more granular, and others might focus on a specific territory or region. Typically, many of the models have a similar structure. For example, custom dimensions and accounts, as well as scenarios and time periods, may only differ slightly. You can manage your metadata by choosing a single source model that includes the metadata you want to copy to one or more target models. I'll navigate to the Models page, where I can define the criteria for copying model metadata. On the row for the source model, click the ellipses. Select Model Change Management, MCM, and create a new definition. I'll select a target model. I'll select the metadata to copy from my source to my target. I want to copy time periods. I'll copy the time dimension structure, and I'll keep both earlier years and later years that are already in the target but not in the source. Before copying metadata, let's look at our source model to see how it is currently set up. The source starts with 2019. The last year is 2027. Let's look at our target model to see its current time periods. The target includes years from 2018 through 2024. There are no monthly, quarterly, or half-yearly periods. I'll run the Model Change Management rule to copy metadata from the source to the target. A confirmation message indicates the Model Change Management rule was submitted as a job. I'll return to the Models page. I'll check the status of the job. The job completed successfully. Next, I'll open the target model so that I can take a look at the changes. The target model now has a start year of 2018. Also, more granular period details, such as monthly, quarterly, and half-yearly, were added from the source. The target model now has an end year of 2027. For more information on copying metadata, visit the Planning and Budgeting Cloud Help Center and view a tutorial, copying subaccounts and account attributes, copying account groups, copying scenarios. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.